Hi everyone, in this video I would like to talk about JHipster microservice. Before we go through, I would like to compare a little between the monolithic application type and microservice application type. Okay, right now you can see, in the past till now, most of our applications are written in monolithic application type. You can see the picture here. Every part like HTML, JS, model MVC, service, everything in only one block, and it will connect only one database. So that the other browser, the other device will be connect only in one block. So that you can see that it will have a lot of disadvantage in this monolithic application architecture, because when our application develop will be bigger, so that for the maintenance for the application will be very hard to do. So that, and also if you have another application want to connect to here via something like the API, this very hard to do. So that right now in the modern architecture we will use the microservice. The concept of the microservice, you can see in here, it will split our application into the small part as we call the service, and we call this the look like account service, inventory service, and shipping service. In here, each part like this one we call the microservice, and each microservice will connect by its our database. So that you can see in here, you in the next future, if you want to develop your application bigger, so that you just only input more microservice in here, and it also independent to for the language programming, so that very easy for you to maintain. Okay, I don't want to go for deeply about this one. You can check it over the internet. There are a lot of website talk about this one. In here you can see about the disadvantage and advantage of the monolithic and microservice. Okay, now you can see this is the JHipster microservice architecture. Our big application will be also split into a small microservice application, so that every connect between our device, our browser, into our application will go through via the gateway. The gateway is also the JHipster application. It will handling for the web traffic and also the security. About the JHipster registry also will be our application is written by the JHipster. Also our microservice will be registered into this one. Once when our application connect to here to the gateway, it will go through here and find out which microservice will be used to be called. Okay, and you can check more about in here about the gateway. Yeah, the default for the gateway we use for 80, and the JHipster register for A761 and the other. Okay, our microservice in JHipster is use the Spring Boot. Okay, you can check in here and have a lot of information for you. Okay, right now we will create very simple microservice application by using the JHipster. I already created the folder, so that let's go. I will create a microservice first, and I'm naming this in category. Okay, go to. I will create a microservice. See. Okay, and after that, you need to select the microservice application. I make it default. Okay, and I will use the JHipster registry. About the authentication, I will use the JWT, and the SQL, we will use the PostgreSQL. Okay. Everything you can make a default. Okay, it's done. And after that, I will create the gateway. Okay, and now JHipster. We select microservice gateway. Okay. The same before. Postgre. Okay, done. Okay, right now we will have category and the gateway. So that right now I will create the entity for the category. Entity, and I naming the entity will be category. Okay. Okay, and yes. Naming the first field will be name, and the string yes, require, and the next field will be description, string maybe no. Okay, no more entity, no, and I would like to generate for this one, no. Yes. Okay, you need to do the same thing in the gateway. It will ask you to generate the entity from the existing microservice. You can say yes, and yes, that's right, this one. And after that, you enter for regenerate the entity. Okay, everything you can say override. Yes. Okay, it's done. So the next we will build the image for the gateway and the microservice category for microservice. So I will use the Docker to build the image for this one. So that at first I will check the Docker first. Image. Oh, this already have the previous one, but I will delete and make the demonstration for you. I will remove this one. And also I will delete the JHipster, this one. Okay, right now. Okay, and so I will delete the post tree also, I think. For this one is okay, no problem. Right now I will use the Docker Compose to do that. I will make the okay, in JHipster already support us about the Docker Compose generation, so that we use Docker Compose. And you have to choose the microservice application, and this one, yes, select this one. You can keep the default, no problem. Okay, the JHipster is the admin user. Okay, yeah, that's on. So that after this one, it tells us need to build the image for the gateway and the category. Okay, so that I will go to the category and build it. Like the command here, very easy. Okay, done for the category, and right now we do the same for the gateway. It's take a long time. Okay, done for the gateway. Right now, before we start the image, we need to check the image. how to see. Okay, right now we already have the gateway and the category. Okay, and right now we will use the Docker Compose to start our application, and you can use the Docker Compose up. Okay, looks good. You can see the container. Okay, up, 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 or you can use the Visual Studio Code to check. Okay, it looks fine. Right now we try to access to the, we will check our application by this one. It looks good, so let's try. Okay, and right now you can see that our entity have a category. Let's try some. Okay, and I naming car, maybe our car. Okay, just about car. Save. Yes, and the next one you can just see the maybe video and just about video self. Okay, and you can see that it looks fine. Okay, also you can check our API. In here you can see we have for category, yeah, this one, and you can try to get right, try it. You can see our JSON response will be like this. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.